How to create Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to create a Facebook page, first of all launch a Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Then simply tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can see the option of pages. Simply select on the pages option. As I tap on it, you can simply see the option of create at the top left corner of the screen. So select on create. As I tap on create, it will here start the process of creating a page. So tap on get started and here just mention the page name. So I'm just gonna write as tutorial and then tap on next. So tutorials for, so let's say YouTube. Tap on next, and as you do that you can simply search for categories, and here you can simply write any of the categories that best defines your page. And as you search for it, you can just tap on create, and as you do that you'll be able to create a Facebook page. So it depends on the internet connection that you have, so make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.